Meet dbReplika, a powerful no-code engine that seamlessly liberates your SAP data, bringing it into modern cloud platforms like Snowflake and Databricks in near real time. Today we will, in about 2 minutes, see how we will replicate the line item data source dbReplika 10 to Databricks using our AI assistant in a simple conversation. Extracting data from SAP is notoriously difficult, but dbReplika helps you do just that by enabling fast, reliable, and effortless replication of raw data, BW data sources, or CDS views directly into Databricks, simply through conversation. This eliminates expensive, time-consuming projects and development costs. Note how our L0 schema in Databricks is completely empty. Now we go to our dbReplika SAP add-in and check that the data source was not connected before. We are currently in AS4 HANA on-premise system that provides an embedded BW. Notice that the data sync number 4, which is using ADLS storage, has not a single connection. We now open our ADLS storage and check that it is empty. You can see that the source system folder is empty. We shall now go to our AI assistant and ask him to connect the data source dbReplika 10 to Databricks. Let's first check which data targets are using ADLS. We see that the data sync number 4 is one which supports ADLS. Now let's replicate the data source dbReplika 10. Our AI assistant is connected to our on-premise system via my OAuth security user context. The assistant creates all the necessary artifacts required in the backend without having to use the classic SAP GUI interface. The assistant can help you find data sources by business topic or document data sources, down to the code level. You can see a replication job is created, and we are ready to execute the replication, just with a single sentence. Let's execute it right now. We get the job number back, which we can use to check the status later. Let's see which artifacts were created by now. Let's open our source system and notice the data source dbReplika 10 is connected. Here you see the replication artifact. You can check the job monitor and see the successful status. Let's open up the Databricks schema and refresh the repository. You can see the target inbound table was created. On the right side, you see the size of the table and the last updated timestamp. In the Sample Data tab, you can check that all columns have been updated with the corresponding values. All replication steps are logged in the job log. You can check the runtime and the individual steps in the task notebook. Let's check our Azure ADLS storage. You can see the data source folder was created with all content. The data is stored in a compliant form so that it can't be manipulated, and you can reconstruct the table anytime, like an archive. Thank you for staying with us until the end. We really appreciate it. We would love to hear from you and are happy to support you on your journey to the cloud and modern data platforms.